Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the recent results of the rule-based algo trading bots that I deployed on the CoinRule platform just over a week ago. Now, before we get into the weeds and break down those numbers, if you're not familiar with CoinRule, it is a platform that allows you to configure and deploy rule-based algo trading bots. Now, if you're not familiar with the term rule-based, it is basically if this, then this type strategy. And when we jump into the numbers, I will show you an example of my rule-based strategies. But first, let's take a look at what your minimum investment would be to get started, and you can actually start for free. That's right, $0. And I will leave a link down below in the description, and you can actually get started for free if you follow the link in the description down below. And with the free account, you'll get 2 live rules, which is essentially 2 live bots, 2 demo rules. They offer some templates to help you get started, and the free account allows you to connect one exchange, which is similar to all the other crypto bot platforms that I deploy. You are technically not sending money to CoinRule. You're connecting your exchange via API keys, and therefore your money stays on the exchange. Your bot sends buy or sell orders based on your strategy on your behalf, and therefore your money is as secure as it can be when it's being held on an exchange. Now, if you decide to invest in the next package, you obviously are going to get more features, more bots to run, more templates you can work from. You get leverage strategies. You will also get live Telegram and text notifications. So in reality, it is possible to justify this $30 a month investment. Now, with that all being said, let's get into the numbers. From my main dashboard, you can see I have 2 rules currently live and active. I also have a couple that finished. And if you want to see the video where I configured all these rules, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Also, now would be a good time to shoot the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, as I will be continuing to configure more bots on this platform. Now, the 2 finished bots you can see kind of finished as a wash. One was up a very small amount and one was down a very small amount. Now, the scalping bot definitely needs some tweaking, but I think it has a ton of potential. Now, my next rule-based bot will be this scalping bot with a few adjustments. Now, let's take a look at the current active bots. Now, the very first bot I deployed on the platform was this demo bot. I was doing my recon on the platform, and we can look at the numbers behind this bot. It is, again, running on the demo platform, so the exchange is Demo Exchange. And I deployed it a few weeks ago, and here is the rule-based sequence. And it is if ETH has moving average 9 crossing above moving average 50 in a time frame of 1 hour, buy 1,000 USD of that coin being ETH, with my USDT wallet. And then if that coin, again being ETH, has moving average 9 crossing below moving average 50 in a time frame of 1 hour, sell 100% of total balance of that coin to my USDT wallet. Or if coin from first action, the buy of ETH, has RSI greater than 90 in a time frame of 1 hour, sell 100% of total balance of that coin to my USDT wallet. Basically, once it becomes oversold, I want to exit before it starts to sell off. And then the execute function is how many times you want the bot to actually execute these rules. And in this case, I chose 9. And if you look over here, it's been triggered 7 of those 9 times. And has so far achieved a profit of almost 26% or 260 USDT. And considering it's been live for less than a month, so far it's winning the battle. Now, if I scroll down, we can take a look at the actual orders, and you can see the buy and then sell for a profit. You can look at another buy, sell for a profit. Here's a buy and a sell for a loss. And then this most recent buy, and it's currently still in that position. Okay, so I can jump back to my rules on the menu bar over here on the left by clicking rules. And we'll take a look at a live fire bot on my Kraken exchange. So I just click on the bot, and you'll see the exchange is Kraken. I deployed this bot on January 24th. So it's been running for just over a week, and within that time frame, it's already up almost 15%. So again, winning the battle. It's not locked in a huge dollar amount, as this is a new platform and I'm still doing my recon on the platform. So I'm starting out small and eventually we'll give these bots more ammo. And so if we look at my rule-based sequence, it is somewhat similar to the demo bot. Obviously, I saw that working, so I utilized some of that information in this rule sequence. As you can see, if ETH has moving average 9 crossing above moving average 50 in a time frame of 1 hour. Now, the next step is an addition I made. It's a and if ETH has RSI greater than 40 in a time frame of 40 hours, buy $100 USD of that coin with my USD wallet as a market order. So the difference on this bot is this rule here. And again, if you want to see how I configured the rules, there's a link to that video in the description below. And now the next step is obviously going to be the sell side of the order. So I need and at any time if ETH has moving average 9 crossing below moving average 50 in a time frame of 1 hour, sell 100 USD of ETH to my USD wallet as a market order. Then I added the or action. If coin from first action, being the buy action of ETH, has price decreased by 4% within 4 hours, sell 100% of amount bought of that coin to my USD wallet as market order. And then the execute I had run 4 times. So far it has accomplished 3 of those 4 engagements. And if we scroll down, you can see the history. The first action rule was created on January 24th, 2021. And then we see a trigger where the condition was met and therefore a buy signal was sent, and then a sell signal was sent for a small profit. The next trigger that was met, we had a buy and then a sell for a loss. And then the last trigger with the condition met, we got in and out with a decent profit. And that is the live fire that took place for us to get to this almost 15% profit. And you can see the only time I really dipped into the negative was right in this area here and back in this area here. And then obviously ETH had a big run up recently and the bot took full advantage of that and has cashed in for a decent profit. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to do a quick video and give you all an update on the bots that I have deployed on the CoinRule platform. And I will be deploying more bots in the future, so now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, do me a favor and spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to drop those in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to CoinRule in the description down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.